Welcome to qasimcad YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to draw a futuristic staircase in 3D AutoCAD. Select Front View in Coordinates tab. Select Polyline command and draw a rectangle. Width of the rectangle 4 and height is 0.2 units. Make copies of the rectangle 13 times. Distance between each rectangle is 0.7. Draw a line. Length of the line is 2.5 units. Using Mirror command, mirrors all these rectangles. Type Move command and move these rectangles to upwards. Delete extra 3 rectangles. These rectangles are basically steps of the stairs. Use Polyline command. Attach all steps along with me. Remove extra rectangles with Erase tool. Move all lines in front direction with Ortho Mode button on. The dimension of between each step is 0.08 units. Enter Fillet command. Round all outer edges of the polylines with radius 0.3. Fillet all inner edges with Fillet tool. Radius is 1. Offset all these lines with the help of Offset command. Offset value is 0.2 units. Draw small lines in all base points of these polylines. Join all lines with Join tool. Extrude all objects. Extrude value is 0.8. Select the face of the landing by pressing Ctrl key on the keyboard. Extrude at 4 units. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any question.